Hi kids! We are going to read the book called Boxitects today. And I have someone here with me who really likes to make things out of boxes. He has been making things out of boxes since he was really little. And I don't know, do you want to come tell him some things you've made before out of boxes?
Not to brag, but I made a tower taller than my mother.
What else have you made?
A car. Vroom, vroom. I also made
That was Dawson, if you didn't know. Dawson is my 11-year-old son, and he showed you some things the other day, but I wonder if you can make some things out of boxes to show him. Could you do that over Thanksgiving break, maybe? Boxitects by Kim Smith. Boxitects. This one says refrigerator on it. Handled with care. These look like they've been shipped there. And look at, she's making a design. Meg was a Boxitect. She loved to make things out of boxes. She loved making tiny houses, tall towers, and twisty tunnels. And she made marvelous things no one had ever seen before. Meg was proud of her work. She could make boxes into anything. Meg's mother was proud too. She thought Meg was brilliant and creative. I think Dawson's brilliant and creative too, and all of you. So Meg's mother sent Meg to maker school where she could be even more brilliant and creative. At maker school, there were blanketeers, spaghetti-techs, tinfoilers, and egg cartoniers. There was almost any kind of maker you could imagine, but Meg was the class's first Boxitect, and that made her feel very special. At school, Meg learned all about Boxitecture. She learned how to make her structures useful, strong, and beautiful. Meg loved everything about maker school. Until Simone showed up. Like Meg, Simone was new. She was also brilliant and creative. Worst of all, Simone was a Boxitect too. And she was already making things Meg had never dreamed of. In class, Simone would point out ways Meg could make her constructions a little straighter, more wind resistant, and less boring. So Meg told Simone she should build things that were less bumpy, sturdier, snap, and much prettier. On the last day of school, the class's annual maker match was held to see who could make the most amazing thing. There was just one rule. You had to work as a team. But Meg didn't want to work with anyone, and neither did Simone. The blanketeers built with blankets and pillows. The spaghetti-techs built with pasta and glue. The bakeologists built with cake and frosting, but the Boxitects were not building at all. They were arguing. I want to make a tree house, Meg said. No, I want to make a ship, Simone insisted. Meg drew a line down the middle of a very large box. I'll take this half. You have the other. Fine, said Simone. Soon Meg noticed that her treehouse wasn't as large as Simone's ship, so she made her side taller and more impressive. When Simone noticed that Meg's treehouse was taller than her ship, she made her side higher and more extraordinary. Slowly, Meg and Simone's creation grew bigger and bigger. They both built and built until there wasn't a single box left. And at last, they finished. What is it? asked a classmate. I've never seen anything like it, said another. The teacher said, It looks like it might... And there's a little tiny fly right there that's saying, achoo! Crash! Your side was too wobbly, shouted Meg. Your side was too heavy, cried Simone. Oh dear, said the judge. The maker match was not over yet, but most of Meg and Simone's work was ruined. There were only a few parts left that could be saved. What do you think they're gonna do next? If we combine my treehouse with your ship, Meg started, we might be able to make one thing, finished Simone. The Boxitects decided to call a truce so they could finish the match. Working as a team, Meg and Simone quickly joined the remaining pieces together until they had created something new. At the end of the maker match, the Boxitects hadn't won first place, but they had a different way of making brilliant and creative things, working together. And they each gained a new friend. What should we make next? How about a buoyant bungalow? Or a motorcycle mansion? And then the back of this talks about why is cardboard so extraordinary. It says cardboard boxes are so amazing because they're corrugated. Corrugated means there's a piece of folded material sandwiched between two flat pieces of the same material. This makes cardboard super strong and super light. Let's try making our own corrugated cardboard. So then they show you some pictures and tell you directions how to make it. And then it tells you how to be a Boxitect on this page and make a tunnel. You can also build a castle. And the last page says, to all makers, constructors, creators, and inventors, and a special thanks to the wonderful Boxitects who made this possible. Kelly, Jennifer, Charismar, and Suzanne. I would love to see you make something out of boxes and share it to this post. I'm going to share this with you today as a post, and I hope that you have fun creating something with boxes. It doesn't have to be big boxes. It could be a little box. What could you make with a box?
Bye.